So why the Power 007V? It's a very simple to use clip-on night vision device. These things work brilliantly dusk and dawn as well. Please remember that. Clip them on when it's getting dark onto your rifle scope, suddenly you're back to daylight. They work at night to some 300 odd meters. Very simple to use. There is only one collar to put on the end of your rifle scope, and you can actually have multiple collars, so you can very quickly clip this from one rifle scope, unclip it, and clip it on another one. Could be from your 22 to your 308. There is no zero change. You use your reticle inside your rifle scope. The biggest thing about clip-on scopes is their convenience. You can simply attach it to your existing setup, no mount changes, just clip on and you're away. The only negative side to that is it does decrease your eye relief.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Today we're going to be talking and unboxing another device. So this is Part Digital Night Vision Scope. First of all, you should understand that this is an update. This is third generation of NV007 family. And first of all, you need to understand why actually do we need this device. For example, if you have an independent device, day vision scope, that allows and basically works for you so well, that matches all your requirements. However, sometimes if you need to change day vision into night vision, this is how it works. Let me show you right now. So it's just in a second or two, and that's how you transform from day to night vision. Quite simple and convenient. Okay guys, now let's talk about the device itself. The design, now it's got sharper, now something changed here. And first of all, it fits my hand so well. Perfect. Right, it weighs 250 grams. Quite convenient. All right, another part that changed is of course the eyepiece. So it's got bigger. So the size that now makes convenience. Now it feels pretty well. All right, so comfortable when spotting something wherever, any weather. So now the next part is going to be the one that sometimes when you try to prefer being silent completely and not detected. So those silent buttons right now, also another change in this device. So this update is also good for us when we want to stay undetected. All right, the next one is going to be this shock, or let's say vibration resistance. So this feature, it's up to 6,000 joules. So stable when shooting, vibration resistance, something that makes this device suitable for so many guns. Another thing is, of course, its updated high performance sensor. So the device got an update of 50% comparing to its previous brother. So the previous generation, this is a very sufficient update. And of course, its quality. So this definition would be now FHD. Full HD quality, something that is high definition sensor performance. Again, just like I said, improved by 50%. And now we go into our next part. I have a few micro USB cables that I'm not going to use anymore, which is now in this device, multi-interfaces, something that is, again, another update, something convenient. So here we change that from USB now to Type-C. So the device is not going to be that inconvenient anymore. So more compatibility. Another adjustment is IR. So infrared wave. So you have a choice right now. If it was 850 nanometers, that you still can help, and that helps you to reach further distances. It works so well, but also you have a second option right now, which is 940 nanometers, that also prevents any overexposure, and definitely you will be hard to find by any animal. All right, and quick summary. So we have a slight change in its design. So it's still lightweight, so it's got a bigger eyepiece. It's also now equipped with silent buttons. We also have a change in its sensor, increased by 50% performance. And of course, another convenience, which is compatibility. Now we have Type-C. All right, guys, so that's it for now. I thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative and useful for you. So now, if you want to get one device for yourself, you can find the link below this video, and Bob's your uncle. That's how it works. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.